Okay.
All right, guys. So my dad just went to the grocery store.
Dad. Yeah.
Our dad went to the gas station.
What?
My dad went to the grocery store, and we're gonna be putting the groceries up. Yeah.
Grocery mall.
Grocery haul. Yeah.
They're gonna be doing the grocery mall today. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. These are my children, and they're taking over for me.
We got chicken patties, and we got some French fries.
You might keep all the video. I'm not even editing. This attitude better be nice. Be kind to my audience and be nice to them. Let them know. Nice and neat.
We have some Texas toast, and then some chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Buffalo. We got some true fruit. Make sure y'all have to try it. These are really good.
Yeah, I want one now.
We got blueberry. This one's not true fruit, but it's still good. It's the strawberry white cherry and strawberry. We have more chicken. They're hot.
I love chicken.
I don't like hot chicken. And then Chips Ahoy. And then Oreos. Double stuffed Oreos. Got some blueberries. I love blueberries very much. And Premier Protein pancakes without diabetes. And I have to eat healthy stuff. Yeah. For the drinks, we have Juicy Juice 100%. And then orange juice. Orange juice. Tropicana. The refrigerator is a mess.
Oh, good. Okay.
No, that's how the sweets go. No. I don't like this video. This pin is cute. We have some sausage, circle sausage.
Bob Evans.
Bob Evans regular. We got a pan, and I'm gonna be cooking some eggs. And we have peppers, green and red. Where do you put this pan at?
Put two in the freezer.
We have ground beef, and then we have two more.
Two in the freezer. Two in the freezer. I mean, two in the freezer, two in the freezer.
Spaghetti noodles and sugar-free syrup. I'll fit it to the refrigerator. That's all we got. That's all we got. We had 40 pack of water too. So yeah, we also got 40 pack of water, but we're not gonna pick that up because it's not really heavy.
Well, we'll see y'all later.
See y'all later. Bye, guys.
Well, hey, y'all. Today is Saturday, April 18th, 2026, and this is the second day in the house. First day and a half. But, baby boy, the girls are back there. What stuff is looking like. We got some groceries in here. The kids' dad went and got some groceries, dropped them off, and the kids put them away, as you've seen in the clip before this. Our room is like a hot mess. I'm waiting to just get hangers and stuff. So I put all my clothes inside my closet. I will show y'all, but the baby's right here sleeping on me. But we're gonna go do that later. And I wanted to like do my hair, do my makeup, and get myself together. I might not even do my makeup since we just chilling in the house. I gotta do the kids' hair. So that's what they are back there doing. They're practicing like straightening their hair out, like blow drying it out. So it'll be easy to do. So that's what I gotta do tonight. It's probably like, I don't know what time it is. Y'all, what time is it? Okay, it's 3:23 p.m. and we just chilling. I really just waiting on my internet to come on so I can watch me some good shows on TV, some good movies on the big TV and not the phone or the laptop. But other than that, the first night was really good. I got some good sleep. Baby boy was crying a lot yesterday. You know, he's in a new place and he don't know what's really going on. So I ended up giving him a bath. He went to sleep very good for me, slept all night like he's like a good boy. Then he woke up this morning, he threw up because I guess he overate as always. And I'm trying to just find the balance, like how much he eats and how much he doesn't eat. Sometimes he eats a lot, sometimes he don't. Wiped him down and now he's sleeping. He's been pretty cranky this morning, but now he's resting. I'm actually gonna get ready to make some breakfast for like dinner / lunch. So it'll be sausage and cheesy eggs. Well, I was gonna do pancakes, but I don't know if I'm gonna do all that. Sausage and eggs, and that's really it. I'm gonna just take y'all with me when I go get ready, brush my teeth. I need to hop in the shower, and then yeah, just chilling in the crib. Gonna cook. Baby boys calmed down a little bit, and I do have my daughters help a little bit. So I decided to get up because I was still very much tired. I don't know what it is. I think it's the mood that got me so tired. But yeah, so we finna just make some sausage and some eggs. Their dad forgot to bring the paper plates, so I don't have no dishes right now, but we're gonna try to figure something out. I guess, I don't know, but we finna cook. So I'm hungry. We are gonna do eggs, well, cheesy eggs. There's some butter. Joe got me this, well, got us this for the house. First meal is gonna get cooked in here. I'm gonna be making spaghetti later on in the week. My dad-in-law is gonna be bringing, I think, well, he's supposed to be bringing my pot and pan set that he got me, or that he gave me, but I don't know when that's gonna happen because he don't live that close. Well, he live close, but it's a little distance. So I'm gonna wash this out and then we're gonna start cooking.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
Alright, y'all, this is what my room is looking like. Pretty much got stuff everywhere. Stuff everywhere. Baby over there. Yeah. So everything is pretty much everywhere. Thank you. Feet are so good. So I got this stuff pretty much everywhere. My daughter came in here and helped me organize my closet. She did the hair stuff, which is so nice. Like, this is what my closet, I want to say closet room, but it's like a room for real, y'all. My closet is literally a room, but so yeah, closet room / closet, because the door's on it, so I definitely call it a closet room. But this is so nice. I put a few things in here. I just can't wait, y'all. God is good, and I'm just thankful. But this is what it's given in here. Everything is just a mess. My daughter's been helping me though, so.
Okay, I'm going to be organizing the closet by putting all these lotions up in like soap and stuff. So let's get to it. In the top shelf. let's go grab some more. I can put all of these down here for now, so I can just grab them and put them up here. So they're not actually gonna go down here. Ooh, this is cool. It's Vaseline and it's like golden hour glow. And it's so pretty. Gotta get more. I'm gonna actually put these deodorants right here because the deodorant back there. I don't know what this is. This one smells really good too.
Don't even ask.
I have to go shopping here.